Hello, bonjour, my name is Joany, and welcome to the belly dance for complete beginners. And in this video, we are gonna focus on the hip lifts. Now we're gonna add also all different variations that you could do to the hip lifts. So grab something comfortable and dance with me. Let's start with the posture. We're gonna start with having your feet below our hip joints, nice and relaxed. Put your weight on the arch of your feet. Deep breath in up. And relax the arms on the shoulder blades. Make your angel wings come down. Keep this up. All right, this is the rhythm of lungo. So it's like very simple. Perfect for the lift. Do da, 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 da. Okay, are we ready? So in order to start doing the lift, you have to soften the knees because you can do the lift, but you're gonna have to bring the heel up. For now, I don't want you to do that. It's a little bit hard on the lower back. We're going to soften the knees, bend the knees a little bit more, and we're going to focus only on the right side. Your left knee is going to be not locked and not too straight. It's going to be flexed a bit, a little plie. And now both knees are plie, but we're going to straighten the right leg up as this is going to go up. Lift, lift. This is going to go up. So now it's a contraction of the muscles here, pulling the hip up, but it's also the mechanics of the legs where the knee straightens, the hip goes back to its neutral position. But if you want to go bring it higher, you're going to kind of contract the muscles right here. Release, contract, release, bring it up, release. But we're focusing on the lift, so lift, release, lift, and lift, and lift. Notice the knee. Flex and straight, flex and straight. When you straighten that leg, the hip goes up. Up, up, up. Now switch, check it out. Soften the knees, so it's a nice little plie. And let's do the same thing here. This leg stays the same. It's just the left knee that straighten and then flex, straighten and then flex. Hip up, 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 and up, and up, and up, and lift, and lift, and lift. All right. Now flex both knees. So this nice little plie. So it's not locked. It's not like relaxed. It's a little bit more into a nice little plie. So it's a bit more bent. 4 on the right and then 4 on the left. I'm going to focus on 4 lift. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to switch and 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch 1, 2, 3. Now 2, 1, 2. Lift, lift. 1, 2. Now alternate. You're going to lift. Notice the opposite hip goes down naturally. It has to do its opposite thing. Okay, so now we're going to switch that up. Lift, 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 lift. It's up, up, up. We're focusing on the upward movement. Up, lift, 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 lift. Shake it out, shake it out. Now we're going to focus on the hip lift on the classical pose. So you're going to put the weight all on your left foot, okay? And then bring your heel off the floor, your right heel. Keep it releve. Keep your pelvic neutral, not out, okay? Underneath the rib cage, and we're going to focus on lifting that leg. So your knee's already bent. So when you straighten that leg, excuse me, when you straighten that leg, you don't overextend. Okay, it's just a small extension up. See how my knee stays not full back? It kind of just goes a quarter, halfway. And then lift happens naturally. I do put weight on the ball of the foot. A good 10% of the weight is on that ball of the foot. I do not bring the heel down. So let's follow that rhythm. Do, tap, do, tap, 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 tap. Lift and lift. Push against the ball of your foot. Put some weight on that ball of your foot. You could push away from the floor when you're doing this. From the ball of your foot, push away from the floor. And as you push away, the lift happens. Up, up, up. And now switch. Same thing. Okay, notice that it's not out, pelvic is underneath. I soften my right knee. This is bent. Thighs are close together, not separate. Put some weight on the ball of your left heel, ball of your left foot. Heel stays up and press up and then release. Up and release. And follow the rhythm. Lift, 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 very light. Lift, lift. Up, 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 up. Let's alternate. Soften your knees. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lift, lift, right, left, right, left, right, left. Can we go a little bit faster? You ready? Right and right and right. So we're going right, left. Right and right. And just a bit faster. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. So it becomes like a hip lift sway up and down. And now back into our classical pose, right hip, up, 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 up. This is where you can start adding variation. Instead of just putting the hip going towards the rib cage, you could go forward and back, okay? But the way to do this is kind of bring the foot where the toes are, the bit in front, and push the hip up, and then kind of slide it to the heel, and then up. Slide the foot to the toes, up, and slide the foot to the heel of your left foot, and up, 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 and up, and up, and up. Forward, back, and switch. Repeat the same thing here on the center. And now slide that foot in front of the toes, the heel of your right foot. You go front, back. And then you press against the ball of your foot. Good. Back to just the hip, lift, basic pose, nice and slow. Classical pose, hip lift on the spot. Forward and back, you ready? Front, back. Now let's go double hip to the front, double to the back. Double, double. So it's lift and lift and lift and lift. And now back to the basic. Lift, 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 lift. Again, you need to soften your knees. If your legs are straight, this is really hard. Okay, you'll tend to bring the heels up. So flex those knees. And now let's do on the spot classical hip, lift, lift, lift. Now forward and back, forward, back, forward, back. and double this. Double. And back to basic. Let's do this a bit faster. Ready? Classical pose. Hip lift. Up, up, forward and back. Front, back, double. Back to basic. And left side. Forward and back. And this is very small, it's not big. I'm just going in front of the toes and back to the heel. Double. Boom, pa, pa. And back to the basic pose. Now practice this as much as you can this week. Okay? It makes me smile. It's actually when you do the pelvic, I don't know, it has that swing effect, makes me smile. So you have a good week. Love you.